Today is the day. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and today is the day that MSTR is set to report earnings. I wanted to ask you guys, first off, I want to show you, I do not carry an open position on MSTR. I haven't even really traded it the past few days. If you're part of my LPP team, you would know that. Today it reports earnings, and it reports earnings after the market closes. I'm super excited to see what and how it trades. I do not know. I do not know if it's going to begin to pump up because it reports better than expected earnings or guidance. We all know the underlying business of MSTR is an incredibly shitty company, right? The software company of itself, of MicroStrategy, is pretty much non-existent. It does not grow. But again, the hype has been with its Bitcoin holdings. It buys and owns a lot of Bitcoin. Bitcoin obviously has or was incredibly bullish or has been for the past year. So we'll see. We'll see if markets end up actually reacting in a positive way. But when I mean to tell you, I mean, MSTR is a shitty company. It is a shitty company. Its earning per share, it always misses. Its revenue, it always misses. And by always, I mean like more than it doesn't. You could see the past few earnings dating back. I mean, you can go as far back as you want to. There's a reason that it used to trade at $3 per share. Right? Like MicroStrategy is the definition of a shitty company. It trades sideways. If it wasn't for this whole Bitcoin thing, it pumps up during that Bitcoin rally, then it sells off, and then it trades sideways again for a few months to a few years. And then obviously the Bitcoin rally started again, so did MSTR. We'll see. We'll see if they can keep this alive, or will it all be crumbling apart? Right? And that's what we're excited to see. If you guys want me to go live today, I was either going to do it privately for my LPP team, or if this video gets over 500 likes, I'll go live here on YouTube for free and we can all watch it together. It's going to be after the market closes, and this is the market's consensus for what is expected to be reported. $123 million in revenue. Its earnings per share is expected to be a negative 12 cents or 12.12 earnings per share. So again, even the expectations are terrible because everyone knows that, again, MicroStrategy is not an actual successful company. All it does is it buys Bitcoin as it borrows against its investors at 0% interest, as it continues to do more share offerings to dilute more of its current investors. So we'll see. We'll see the way that it actually begins to trade. It's kind of in the middle right now because it tends to have a common resistance range right around 400, a common support range right around 300. If this thing was trading at 400, I would open up a short position because there's so much downside. Because it's right around 340, it's kind of an in-between. I do not know if it's going to begin to recover. I do not know if it's going to continue to sell off. So there's no reason to try to predict the future when you can't, right? So I would rather just wait to react. If it begins to absolutely tank, I'll short it. If it begins to push up, I'll let it pump up and then become overbought enough, and then I'll short it into the downside. We all know that this is an incredibly hyped up company, but again, with a lot of hype comes a lot of volatility. Please respect the trend. Do not put yourself in a position with a position size that you simply cannot manage nor tolerate. So please do not force something that you're going to later end up regretting. I'm super excited to follow up. I'm super excited to see how MicroStrategy reports today. And yes, it's going to be after the market closes. Just drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 500 likes, and I'll see you today after the market closes for MicroStrategy's earnings. Don't forget to subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.